After completing 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, your channel will be ready to monetize. And these are the steps that you need to follow immediately after that. In step 1, you need to review the YouTube Partner Program-based terms and conditions. After successfully reading them, accept all terms and conditions. Step 2 is to sign up for the Google AdSense account. If you already have an AdSense account, then you can connect it, otherwise you need to create a new Google AdSense account. For this, choose No, I don't have an existing account option. Click on Continue. Choose an email address from which you want to create the Google AdSense account. On top, you'll see a link to your YouTube channel. Then you'll have the option to opt in for customized help and performance suggestions. Next, choose your residing country. Read and accept the terms and conditions. At last, click on the Create Account button. On the next page, choose the payment profile. If you don't have a payment profile, then you'll need to create one. Below, you need to provide business or personal details based on the type of account you selected. Once done, click on the Submit button at the bottom. Now Google will review the details you provided for opening the AdSense account. This process will take up to 12 hours. Once the Google AdSense account is created, you can move to step 3. Next, YouTube will review your video content and make sure your videos follow the YouTube monetization policy. It says here, the review process can take up to a month. However, our channel was monetized within a couple of days. Once the channel is monetized, you can start monetizing your videos. Here you can choose what type of ads you want to feature in videos. Click on Next. Here, choose which videos you want to monetize. You can choose all videos at once and choose them manually. Now only long forms videos are monetized. There are other options like Shorts feed ads with which you can earn from Shorts. There is a Supers option. With this, viewers can pay you a sum of amount during YouTube live sessions in return for interactive emojis or shoutouts. Last is Memberships. Using this, you can create a community and your viewers can join it to get premium membership and exclusive content. On the content page, you can see all of our videos are now monetized. If you want, then you turn the monetization off for any video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.